Did you know the cloud opportunity will be worth over $500 billion by 2020? You can take full advantage of the cloud with the Cloud Solution Provider Program, or CSP. What is CSP? With CSP, partners can directly manage the entire lifecycle for their Microsoft Cloud customers, including support, billing, and invoicing. Meet Victor. Victor is seeing lots of success selling Office 365 bundled with his own IP. But there's something nagging at him. He wants to own the relationship with his customers and be their trusted advisor, so they can look to him for support, billing, and invoicing. Luckily, Victor just found out about CSP from Juan, his Microsoft representative. Juan explained to Victor that there are two paths he can take: direct and indirect. By choosing to become an indirect reseller, Victor can find an indirect provider that he can partner with, so he can have an end-to-end relationship with his customers. This allows him to sell through CSP without making a big upfront infrastructure investment in support, billing, and invoicing, so he can build a strong partnership with an indirect provider and focus his investments on other aspects of his business to provide customer value. On the other hand, by choosing to become a direct partner, he can invest in his own infrastructure, provide all the support, billing, and invoicing, while building value-added services to become his customer's trusted advisor. Whichever way he chooses, he'll be sure to enjoy the benefits of owning the relationship with his customers, end to end. CSP opens up the opportunity to provide valuable managed services to your customers while helping you grow your business and realize profitability. What are you waiting for?